Hello everybody, so today we are going to learn how to find cube roots in seconds. So now let's see. But there is one exception. Everything has exceptions. So now let's see. So this is our title, and now here comes the exception. It is only possible if the given number is a proper cube. So if see, now I'll just mark it. I'll take white ink and write if see 2 square is 8, so 8 is a proper cube, so you can take out the cube root of that. But if you're giving the number 7, you can't take the cube root of that by the given method which I am using. Okay, so let's erase it and let's go next. Okay, so for that you need cubes from 1 to 10. That means many of you will know that. So I have written them for you, and if you have observed, there are many color differences in them. So do you observe any similarities between the same colors? If you do, you can comment below. So now I have noted them down for you. The number in green have the same digit in the ones place of the cube and the cube root. So see over here, ones place of the cube and ones place of the cube root, so both are the same digits. See over here also 4, here also 4, 5 5, 6 6, 9 9, and over here it's the ones place is 0, so over here it will be 0 and over here it's 0. Okay, so this, and the 2 cube of 2 always ends with number 8. See, if the last digit of the thing is 8, so if the number ends with 8, if the given cube ends with 8, the last number of the cube root will be 2. Okay, and then if the same will happen like that, like this, if the ends with 2, it will end, the cube root will end with 8. The same happens with 3 and 7. So I hope so that you have understood that. So now let's go next. Now we are going to try to find the cube root of 10,648. That's a big number, but if you know cubes, you can do it easily. So now let's see. First I'll just note down this number, 10,000, 648. Okay, don't go on my writing because this is a computer and I'm not very experienced in that. Okay, so now we'll see what is the steps. So I have written the cubes over here. Now let's see. First, divide the number in 2 parts. The right hand side RHS should be exactly 3 digits. So now let's go back. This is what we have done. So this should be 3 digits. So 1 2 3. So I'll divide it like that. Okay, now I'll just change the color to red and see the next step. Check the last number of the RHS. Okay, so the last number of the RHS is 8. Next, if the last number is 1 4 5 6 9 10, then the cube root is ending with 1 4 5 6 9 0 respectively. Okay, and the last number ends with 2, so it's 8 and 2. So the last number is 8, so it's ending with 2. So this is how you can do it. Okay, I'll just erase everything, erase and go back. So over here down, so it's ending with 8. Okay, so therefore the number is 2, so the RHS is 2. Okay, and now let's go to the LHS. So LHS of the number. Check the LHS and find a perfect cube under it. So see, the LHS over here is number 10. So the cubes over here, let's see. So number 10, so there is no number 10, so 10 is not a perfect cube. So let's find a number which is just under 10. So it's 9. Is 9 over here? No. Then under 9, so it comes 8. So 8 is over here. Yeah, 8 is there. So 8, and we have to find the cube root of 8, which is equals to 2. So therefore the first number over here will be 2. So over here the number is 2. That is because number under 10 is equals to 8. Okay, and 8, it comes to 2. And now not black ink, we need white ink. So 2 and 2, so it's 2 tens plus 2 ones, so it's like 20 plus 2, which is equals to 22. Means we have to take both of them together, we have to just remove this line, so it's 22. So this is how you do it. So this is a very easy method. Okay, and if you have anything, so the answer we have is 22. So now let's check it on the calculator. So see, calculator. Okay, so now what was the number? The number was 10,000. Okay, 10,006. What was the number? 10,648. So 10,648. So this was the number. So now I'll just remove everything. So the answer we got is 22. So 22 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 22 is equals to 10,648. So the number 10,648. So this is how you do it. So that's very easy. So let's go next. So this is what we have done. Okay, so over here, see, first we have divided it. Then over here the process which we did, and therefore the answer is 22. 2 tens plus 2 is equals to 22. So now this is how you can find cube roots in seconds. So this is one of the coolest methods there is, and very less people know it. So if you want more videos like that, then please hit the bell icon, like it and subscribe for more videos. So thank you. Like it. If you like it, like, subscribe and comment. And if you have any maths homework and you have any problem finding the cube roots, you can just comment below and I'll tell you the perfect if it's the perfect cube, I can tell you the number which is its cube root. Okay, so you can take it of any number. Okay, and if you have any problems, you can mail me at learn2program with ishan@gmail.com. And if you have to learn HTML, you can also see my HTML tutorials where I'm teaching HTML currently. So till then, bye.